From dream weddings and vacations to swimming pools and emergency repairs, money doesn't have to stop you from getting these things done. There's a way to fund those things without drowning in debt. You just have to get personal. Here to explain, please welcome David Bleazard with First Service Credit Union. Hello there.
How you doing?
All right, so getting personal. We're talking about personal loans.
Right.
And doing it with responsibility. That way you get what you want and you're not swimming in debt.
Yeah, that's right. I mean, a personal loan could be used for just about anything. Maybe you need a new air conditioning unit or a heater, or maybe you want to go on that great vacation. Any of those things, you could get a personal loan.
Yeah, all right. Some of those things that people want, but they feel like they have to put off because they don't have that ready cash. Let's take, for example, cosmetic surgery.
Sure.
You know, and you'll have people that will say, we were saving for 20 years and now it doesn't matter or whatever, right? But, you know, the point is you can get it done. So let's talk about things that people oftentimes think they shouldn't borrow money for, but it makes sense.
Oh, absolutely. And don't wait. If you need some enhancement surgery, you know, we can fund that through a personal loan.
Yeah.
Any kind of thing that you think that you might need money for and you don't have it, don't go to a payday lender. Don't wait forever. Come in and talk to the credit union and let us help you with a personal loan.
Yeah, we just saw a little bit earlier, too, you know, some vacation photos, which, again, that's that thing that oftentimes people will put off doing a vacation. Don't think your family can't have that experience because that can be paid for through a personal loan as well.
Yeah, absolutely, and they're very affordable. I mean, we have rates starting as low as 7.99%, which is very reasonable. I mean, if you consider, you know, a credit card loan these days on average is 18%, don't do that. It'll take you, you know, 95 months to pay it off. Whereas with a personal loan, you can have terms up to 60 months, and you're going to pay a lot less in interest.
Wow, yeah, that's a good point, because a lot of people do slap it on that credit card and then pay for everything else on their trip on that credit card, and that costs a lot of money. And if you do it for your plastic surgery, you start thinking, now, did I really want to look like this? Right. How badly did I want this new nose job, right?
Well, some of us maybe a lot.
And then there's things like even LASIK surgery. Again, people trying to figure out how they can pay for that. At the end of the day, you get that personal loan. Are you necessarily asking what we're doing it for, or are you just more looking at the credit worthiness of getting that loan?
You know, it doesn't really matter what it's for. And really what we want to do is sit down with you and we want to make a good plan, right? That's what we always want to do. And so certainly we want to get you into the best terms and the best rate that we can so that it's affordable for you.
Yeah. Okay, let's talk about when we say credit union versus a bank. What's the difference here?
Well, a credit union is owned by its members, and so every penny we make goes back to our members. And we offer every product and service that a big bank does, but with a lot more personal touch.
Okay. You're right, because you have people come in and you know their life, you know who they are, you can call them by name.
Yep.
Okay. There are a couple of email questions that people had some questions they wanted to ask you. The first one's from Steve, and he says, how do you sell your car when you're upside down on your loan? This happens a lot. We always hear the minute you drive it off the lot, you're losing value.
This is very common, right? This is something that we deal with every day. At the credit union, we do probably 1,100 car loans a month. And it's frequent that someone has negative equity. In other words, they owe more on the vehicle than it's worth.
Right.
But that's okay. We can roll that into your next loan. But you got to be careful about that, right? You don't want to keep doing that to where you owe so much that it's not worth repaying.
Yeah.
But we can help you manage that.
Okay. The next question is from Jason. It says, I just received my tax refund. Dun, dun, dun. Right, you have that check in your hand. Do you suggest I pay off my debt or put it into savings? And a lot of us have that third thing, or buy what I want, right?
Well, I was just going to say the temptation is, right, to just go and spend it.
Yeah.
But really, if you have debt, pick the highest interest rate debt that you have and pay it off.
Okay.
You'll always be better off.
Yeah, yeah. You know, the other thing people might be confused about when it comes to a credit union versus a bank is that can you do all the same things that the bank does?
We offer every single product and service on a consumer basis that any financial institution in America offers.
Yeah.
Anything, a credit card, a checking account, a house loan. Yes, we do house loans every day, all day.
Yeah, and savings accounts and the whole bit.
Money market accounts, certificates, yeah.
Yeah, all right. We have some folks in the audience who have some questions. I love that we have a young person who's asking a financial question here. You're getting prepared, aren't you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, what's your question?
All right, so I'm a sophomore in high school, and I wanted to know the best way to start saving for my education.
Well, if you're young enough, the best thing to do is start with a 529 plan and start locking in the cost of college in the future. But at your age, the best thing to do is really just start saving. Put it in a savings account, or at the credit union there's a certificate of deposit called a Smart Growth CD that will allow you to start with a very small amount and begin to save, but earn a lot better interest. And then you don't touch it because it's in a certificate of deposit till it's time for school.
Yeah. All right. My son, by the way, has his account there.
That's right.
And he's 10 years old, and so he's telling all of his friends, yeah, I own part of a big money firm here. Yeah.
It's
Which
right.
He
He
is
does.
part of an owner.
He's a member owner. And yeah, he's a little mogul. It's going to be great.
Yeah, hopefully he's going to take care of Mama and Daddy. All right, there are several FSCU locations, which is the other thing that people might think that aren't convenient places to go. There are several locations. You're looking at the map right here for people to go.
Right. We have 15 Houston area locations for First Service Credit Union, but through the shared branch network, you actually have over 100 locations in Houston and over 5,000 nationwide, where you can go into any credit union that's part of the shared branch network and do a transaction on your account.
All right. Well, everyone in today's studio audience is going home with a gift bag from First Service Credit Union, which includes a free credit analysis. We all need that. And First Service Credit Union has a special offer for Great Day Houston viewers. You can get a free $50 MasterCard gift card if you apply for any loan before May 15th, either in person, over the phone, or online. So you're getting $50 just for applying for that loan to get some other things that you might want. With vacation season coming up, we know a lot of folks can make that a reality for their family. Just use the promo code GREATDAY. That's all one word, promo code GREATDAY, all one word. For more information or to get in on this deal, call 800-678-5197, 800-678-5197, or log on to fscu.com. Just think you could go to work and then come back looking 20 years younger in a couple of weeks. Well, it may be springtime now, but golf fans have been dreaming of hitting the green for months now. Next week, Golf's Champions Tour is making a stop here